Milan is getting in more details in that story. Milan, this actually is a story year after year as far as these fog cancellations are concerned, but nevertheless, they continue to cause us so much inconvenience, isn't it? It's not easy to just sit at home when you don't know what the status of your flight actually is. Most people like us would just prefer to pick up bags and go and wait at the airport, isn't it?
Well, Sneha, that's true, but what the message from the airport authority has been across at least the northwestern region, where there is very low visibility because of the fog, is that you need to be in touch with your airline carriers. As you were just mentioning, right behind me, there are flight carriers that are on standby, and as you can see, that the visibility at the Delhi International Airport, where I am right now, is about 100 meters or less. So that is not enough for a lot of flights to take off or land, especially if they are not C83 compliant, which many carriers are not, and that is why they are currently grounded. Indigo has announced flight planned cancellations, at least 152, two of those international flights at airports, especially around Amritsar and Pantnagar, Bareilly and other airports. The visibility is between 0 to 50 meters, which is even lesser than at the Delhi International Airport. And that's why many flight cancellations have been happening since morning, and it's expected to be like this because the Indian Meteorological Department has said that it's going to be foggy and dense fog conditions are going to prevail in the entire northwestern region because of the western disturbances, and that is going to lead to a lot of flight disruptions going forward as well. A SpiceJet flight has also been cancelled, and Air India flights are also being cancelled. So people will have to be in touch with the airlines. Either they can claim refunds or get on to the next flight, which hopefully takes off at least from around airports that are in the northwestern region, where you can see that dense fog refuses to clear out even during the height of the day at the moment. This is not early morning per se, but definitely as the IMD has predicted, temperatures will drop a little bit more, which will trap pollutants and fog, at least in this region, creating a smog-like situation and problem for a lot of passengers flying in and out of
That's right.
Delhi
It's a
at least.
nightmare living in Delhi or even trying to come to the city at this time of the year. Nothing less than a nightmare. Milan, even as I prepare to take a flight in just a few days from now, it's terrible. And also the uncertainty for so many passengers